compliance training is about don't do this and don't do that. Compliance training is mainly about avoiding pain, the pain of not knowing. The real development, it's about including instructions that can aspire towards potential. So I'm letting them know how to learn the ropes, how to grow in the company, things that can let them level up, not me trying to put precautions to pain. Mostly what happens in compliance, I need people to know all of this to avoid the pain of them not knowing. Because if they don't know, they're gonna wreak havoc in the organization. Well, instead, I can teach them the steps, instruct them on what they should know, and offer them pointers on where to find the necessary resources to get better. And I allow a channel for them to know where to click, where to go, whom to ask, how to get things. This builds up ties. This builds up potential for them to grow. So instead of hammering on a compliance training, let's make snippets and offer them steps and let them have autonomy to grow within a company. This can let me, as an employee, know that I am safe, that there's ownership, that I'm loyal to an organization that respects me and respect my ability to grow in it, instead of trying to inject so many different things that I should memorize